I'm Brett at GuideWise, and I'm going to show you how to use your keypad on your iPhone as a trackpad for precise cursor movements. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too. Let's say, for example, you open your Notes app and you have a test note right here. And this was me writing the name of a mobile doc that I just purchased. And I want to get right in between because let's say I misspelled mobile. Well, if I'm tapping here on the screen, I can't get into the middle of that word. So to get to a precise spot in that particular word, we're going to tap on the spacebar and hold, and then you can see all of the letters disappear. Then I'm going to drag my finger to the left to the spot that I want to be at. Then I'll let go, and now it has a precise movement to the middle of that word. And I can either take out a letter, add a letter, whatever have you if you want to change something in between words. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.